I primed my eyelids with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Nougatine. It's the light 2.2 or 22, can't really see, it's very small. And then I set the powder with the Huda Beauty Banana Bread Baby Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. And then I just added some of the e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift Pencil on the eyebrows in the color Deep Brown. And then I just added some of the Benefits 24-hour Brow Setter Gel to set the eyebrows. I'm super excited to start using these brushes, and I'm super excited to start using this palette. I'm a bit intimidated because there's so many colors to choose from. And I'll definitely do more than one video using this palette because I feel like there's so many pinky purpley looks that I can do with it. I am going to try to go as neutral as possible today with the colors. Let's see if I can do that. I'm going to start off with going global on the F20 brush. It's a blender brush. And I'm just going to use that as my basic transition shade. Blend it out everywhere. Looks like it blends very easily. We'll see when it gets to the darker colors. And the idea I have today is just to try and do a quick and easy look with this palette. And then I'm just taking some under the eyes. Okay, then I'm taking Inexplicable on an E18 brush. It's a bit more of a pointed blender brush. And I'm just going to place that in this outer deeper part of the crease and then blend it inwards. It's a really pigmented color, so you really do need to remember to tap it off before using it. Taking what's left on the brush and softly adding some depth at the bottom. I'm just taking a bit more of that Going Global on that F20 brush that I used first. And I just want to, on these edges, brush and blend that into, basically blend these two colors in. I think I might need to go in with more of a middle tone shade to blend these two. I'm taking the E20 with a tiny bit of that Curiosity, and I'm just placing that on this higher part of this dark shade. I'm going to use that to just blend into this lighter color. Oh, I like that color. I'm just going back and forth with the first brush and the second brush to blend those colors out. Not the first and the second, the E20 and the F20, those two. I'm taking a little bit more of that inexplicable and just deepening up these corners a bit more. Just in this deepest part of the crease. I like how that's looking. I'm taking some of Fascination on a finger and I'm just going to place that on the lid. Ooh, I like how this color looks. It's got a beautiful shift to it. A bit of a golden speckle in there. It's very pretty. I'm taking a bit of Daydream on the finger and just placing that in the inner corner. I'm taking a bit of Life Changing on an E13 brush. It's a flat brush. And just placing it here against the brow bone. Just give it some sparkle and lighten it up a bit. I'm taking the E17 with that Inexplicable again and just placing it close to the lash line, like almost like an eyeliner. Just want to create some depth here in the outer corner of the lash line. It just lifts the eye a bit and gives it a bit more of a feminine look, don't you think? And I'm just taking what's left on the brush to deepen up against the lash line at the bottom a bit. And there we go. I'm going to go do my eyeliner and eyelashes and finish off the rest of my face makeup, and then I will come show you my final look and give you my thoughts on the palette. Okay, so there we have our final look. I really love how this look turned out. I think it looks stunning. I really like the colors. I really like how the colors blended, so I am really impressed with this formula. I had almost no fallout under the eyes, which is really great when you work with pinky and purpley colors, because they tend to make you look tired if you do get fallout and you don't clean it up well. I didn't need to do any cleaning up under the eyes, so that really impressed me with this formula. It's the first time I used the P.Louise eyeshadows, so I really have to say I'm impressed with how this turned out, and I'm impressed with how it applied. I still need to see how long it wears and whether it comes off easily, but let me just say, wow. I added some Maybelline tattoo eyeliner in the waterline and at the top and just smoked it out a bit. It's in the color Deep Onyx. And then I added some Maybelline mascara, the Sky High mascara, and then just added some Ardell Duralash Wispies. I managed to damage this lash at the end, so just excuse that. But I think overall I really love this look. Let me know what you think. And then when it comes to the brushes, it's the first time I'm using the P.Louise brushes as well. I really like the combination of brushes that I had in there, and I could really do everything I wanted to do with the brushes, and they worked very well. They're not hard, they blend well, they pick up the product well, and they're soft enough so that it didn't hurt my eyes to apply. So overall I'm very happy with this purchase of the P.Louise World Full of Wonder eyeshadow palette and the Follow My Purpose brush set. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and then I hope to see you next time. Bye!